making our character climb the pink ladder. So in our background that we borrowed, there's a pink ladder that our character can climb. So when we click the up arrow and we're touching the pink ladder, we want our character to move up to the next floor. And we can do this by adding a new condition. So here's a hint. Let's add this inside our loop. So if we are touching the color pink and key arrow pressed, then we can change Y by 4. So let's make sure we add in a new if condition to our forever loop. Let's make some room by zooming out of our environment with the magnifying glass. And we have a new control with a new if condition. So make sure it is separated again. And we have a new key press triggered, which is now we are going up. But before we go up and click the up arrow, we want to make sure two conditions are true at the same time. So we are going to use an operator called AND. That way two actions are true in order for this condition to follow through. So our condition is that key up arrow has to be pressed and we have to be touching the pink ladder. So again, we are sensing that we are touching a certain color. And if you remember from last class, let's fill the color of the pink ladder using the filler tool. And let's select the pink ladder. That way both conditions have to be true if key arrow pressed and touching the pink ladder. If we are doing both and we are on top of the pink ladder, we can change the y-axis by 4. That way we move up the ladder. So let's use a motion block called change y by. And let's change y by 4. And your code should look something like this, added to our current forever loop. So now if you are to walk up to your ladder, or better yet, before the ladder, if you try clicking up arrow, nothing will happen. But now if you were to walk up to the pink ladder, you will be able to go up, walk across the second floor, and make it to the second ladder and reach to the third floor. So see if you can reach up to the third floor all by yourself when adding this code. And since we made it to the top, here's a challenge. Can you make your character say something at the end? How can we make our character say you win at the end of our course? So once we click on that, or once we touch the green bar at the end, we should say something. Feel free to try out this challenge.